Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Electronic photo identity.
Electronic photo identity card. Okay. Electoral photo identity card is EPIC. That is the correct answer. Electoral photo identity card is EPIC. Who was the election commissioner who gave us this electoral photo identity card? They used to come, anybody used to come and vote for anyone, and they used to impersonate, and so many things used to happen.
We are targeting the youth, and we want to ensure that all the eligible voters register themselves and become voters, and as a run-up to the assembly elections which we are going to have in a few months. And therefore it's an appeal to all the voters, young voters, to come and join. And today we are having this youth festival. We have selected a few colleges. We have 6 colleges from in and around Panjim who are participating in this Voter Youth Festival today. We have the icons. This entire exercise has been done by the office of the DUO North as well as the office of the ERO and ERO 11 Panaji.